buying this one because for my makeup in Japan. I usually wear makeup. You know why? Kasi in Japan, they have to wear makeup kasi everyone is wearing makeup there. No one is simple. Kasi ganun ang culture ng Japanese. Okay? So, I'm just explaining, everyone has to understand this culture na. Kaya kami naka-makeup doon. Kasi lahat ng tao doon naka-makeup. Parang nakakailang naman na ikaw lang yung hindi nagme-makeup doon. Tapos lahat ng mga tao kasama mo, mga talagang todo style, ganun. Siyempre, makikijoin ka din kasi ikaw yung foreigner doon eh. Yun, ganun kasi yung culture nila. At saka ganun yung lifestyle ng Japanese, parang western. Parang western style. Okay, pero dito sa Philippines, hindi ako masyadong nagme-makeup dito minsan.